How to make background transparent in Photoshop. There are a few ways to make a background transparent in Photoshop. 1. Using the Magic Wand tool. 1. Open the image in Photoshop. 2. Select the Magic Wand tool, W. 3. In the options bar, set the tolerance to a value that will select the background color. 4. Click on the background color to select it. 5. Press delete to remove the background. 2. Using the quick selection tool. 1. Open the image in Photoshop. 2. Select the quick selection tool, Q. 3. Click and drag over the background to select it. 4. Press delete to remove the background. 3. Using the pen tool. 1. Open the image in Photoshop. 2. Select the pen tool, P. 3. Draw a path around the object you want to keep. 4. Click on the path button in the options bar. 5. Click on the delete anchor point tool. 6. Click on the anchor points you want to remove. 7. Press delete to remove the background. 4. Using the background eraser tool. 1. Open the image in Photoshop. 2. Select the background eraser tool, E. 3. In the options bar, set the tolerance to a value that will select the background color. 4. Click and drag over the background to erase it. 5. Using the channels panel. 1. Open the image in Photoshop. 2. Click on the channels panel. 3. Duplicate the background channel by dragging it to the new channel icon at the bottom of the panel. 4. Click on the new channel to make it the active channel. 5. Use the levels or curves tool to adjust the brightness and contrast of the channel until the background is completely white. 6. Click on the background channel to make it the active channel again. 7. Choose Image Adjustments Channel Mixer. 8. In the Channel Mixer dialog box, set the output channel to alpha. 9. Adjust the sliders to make the background completely transparent. 10. Click OK. 6. Using the Magic Wand tool and the background eraser tool. 1. Open the image in Photoshop. 2. Select the Magic Wand tool, W. 3. In the options bar, set the tolerance to a value that will select the background color. 4. Click on the background to select it. 5. Switch to the background eraser tool, E. 6. In the options bar, set the tolerance to a value that will erase the background color. 7. Click and drag over the background to erase it. 7. Using the Select and Mask tool. 1. Open the image in Photoshop. 2. Select the Select and Mask tool, M. 3. In the options bar, set the fuzziness to a value that will select the background color. 4. Click and drag over the background to select it. 5. Use the edge detection slider to adjust the smoothness of the selection. 6. Use the Refine Edge Brush tool to refine the selection. 7. Click OK. 8. Using the Content Aware Fill tool. 1. Open the image in Photoshop. 2. Select the Content Aware Fill tool, A. 3. Click and drag over the background to fill it. Once you have made the background transparent, you can save the image in a format that supports transparency, such as PNG or GIF.